Good morning from Salzburg. This is our fourth destination in Austria. So we are spending pretty much this whole week in Austria, and we had come here yesterday. Yesterday in the afternoon is when we reached. Then we went for a beautiful cycle tour. We went for a Sound of Music tour, which was just so good.
Back.
Oh, you really had your so hot. Yeah. This is much better cycling weather, that's for sure. But 60 years ago, they rang for the wedding scene, of course. Yes. So the Captain and Maria actually got married in 1927. Splashes a fountain.
Confidence.
Yes, William. Sorry, guys. Not because they're Aussies, I promise. Who's the biggest fan? Private property now used as a hotel. Is anyone in my lovely group staying at Schloss Leopold?
No.
No? Oh, yes, you are?
No.
Oh, I thought you were. I'm glad you mentioned the clouds, because Julie Andrews is often spoken about the clouds. So, this is your turn to do your own hill clip. The easy way to do a hill clip, it's not that hard, you need two things. Confidence and a high hop to the side. And to be 25
Nice.
years younger. No, you don't. It's how old you feel, not how old you are. And you got to go to the side and then you're able to kick your heels up. Do you want to give it a go? On the count of three? Yeah, you do, man. 1, 2, 3.
No, nice.
Really? Yeah. That's why we're here. Who's going to go next? Perfect.
Nice.
Excellent.
The city is too pretty. I just can't. Look at the river. Sunset is like a painting on it. Oh my god. Exactly.
End of flashback.
Excuse my hair, it is all sorts of crazy in Europe. I don't know why, I just can't figure out a way to like settle it. It's weird. Anyway, so yeah, so today is going to be a really fun day as well. We are going to rent a car and drive around to Hallstatt, which is like a day trip sort of a thing from Salzburg, but I really loved Salzburg. It is so beautiful. It's a city, but it is set against the most beautiful mountains. There's fields, there's streams, there's rivers. Like Sound of Music was set here, right? So you can see all that beauty here. And I am really enjoying. I really loved. I like yesterday with the cycle tour. I almost cried because it was so pretty. It was so pretty and green and beautiful, and it just felt fake. I couldn't believe that I was here and doing that. Like the host was playing Sound of Music songs while we were driving along, which was just so wholesome and so good and so sweet. Like we were all singing along and riding a bike on these gorgeous roads, and yeah, it was just amazing. So yeah, having a blast. I am just in the room. I've taken a bath. I am just waiting for Vinayak. He's gone to pick up the car, which we're supposed to rent, and hopefully it goes well, and then he will come back, and then we'll set up, and then I will show you around. The room is pretty basic, so there's not much of a room tour. Like that's the desk, there's all our suitcases, this is the bed. There's a nice balcony which is here, but once again there's no AC, so there's a fan which has to be on, otherwise I will die. So yeah. Welcome to Berchtesgaden.
Berchtesgaden.
Berchtesgaden. Koningsee, this beautiful lake which would have been really nice on a sunny day but it's miserably raining. So we are sitting in this restaurant and having food. So, it is pouring outside and I don't know if you can see. Can you see two people swimming in the cold, wet?
It's not cold, it's 20 degrees.
Arey, but
You are just...
it'll be cold in the water when it's raining, no? Crazy people. I didn't tell the vlog what happened in the morning.
Okay.
Vinayak's license was not valid. It still is not valid.
Not
technically.
valid is not acceptable by
because-
the Austrian
Yeah.
authorities.
So it's within the validity period. The picture is not clear. So the people who rented us this car said that we can't rent you the car because your driving license doesn't seem good. So I had to submit my documents, and then we got this car, and I drove for
Half an hour.
40 minutes. 40
Okay, 40
minutes on Austrian highway. I can't, I mean, in India, I don't have the guts to drive most of the time. And especially I drove a manual car, which I haven't driven since last year. And I'm not good at manual cars. But what do you think, Vinayak? How was my driving?
Yeah, it's good because it's very confusing to drive in.
Yeah, and because you're driving on the left side of the road in this country, it was even more difficult because...
Right side, not left side.
No, but I meant like the driving is on
Sitting on the left side of
sitting
the
on
car.
the left side of the car. It feels like the cars are coming onto you when you're driving in the road, on the road, and it was very scary at many times. I was very stressed out in the morning. But now Vinayak is back to driving because we're taking a chance, and also it's raining really heavily. I am not confident at all in such weather. So I think if you get caught, we should say, listen, it is less dangerous for you to drive in this weather with your license issues than me with a fully valid license driving in this weather.
Yeah, sure.
So I think that's our defense if we get caught, but let's see. But yeah, our day-to-day kind of got spoiled with the rain. Yeah, I don't think I recorded much also because my phone almost died. But we went to how do you pronounce it? Berchtesgaden, which is in Germany, and which was Hitler's holiday home, basically.
Like his version
His
of Camp
retreat.
David.
Yeah, his retreat. And we went there. There's a really nice information center there, which was nice. And then there's his chalet called Eagle's Nest, which we hiked up because we didn't realize that there's an elevator, but there was an elevator. So yeah, anyway, I'm not dressed appropriately for this weather, clearly, because I was told that I will go to an alpine town. Ooh, they're out of the water. That was quick. So I am dressed out very fancily, not helpful in the rain, not helpful when you're hiking up because I'm not even wearing shoes. So not making that mistake tomorrow at least, but yeah. Anyway, yeah, the directions. Oh, it's kind of connecting.
I'm not able to connect to this.
So yeah. Anyway, this is Koningsee. Koningsee.
You can take a video of the people as they come out of the water.
Oh yeah, wait. The lake is really pretty. Unfortunately, it is raining very hard, so you can't see much. But it's kind of giving Maldives because it has all these huts on the banks. Which
Those are not huts, those are boat.
yeah, but they look like huts. So it's kind of giving water villa, but it's not. So, yeah. Bye. See, such a pretty lake. Driving off.
Sometimes my mind plays tricks on me. It all keeps setting up. I think I'm cracking up. Am I just paranoid? Am I bored?